looks like SOS. Looks like somebody need to have some holiday. No holiday, too much work. Hello.
Alright, hi and welcome to today's NCCR workshop news. So it's actually going to be only news today. It's going to be a short one.
Exactly. As we said on Facebook, from now on we will separate a little bit the things because the people get a little bit confused and get bored that we have a 1 hour video about some technical things when they're just looking for some quick entertainment.
They go like, ah!
Yeah, exactly. From now on we will have the workshop news just as some short news between 10 and 15
minutes, not hours.
And then, let's talk about news.
Yes!
Blinkers.
So we got
indicators.
This cool thing. It is really bright, right? It's so bright.
It's so small.
It's so small. No!
Yep. It is like, I don't know, super small.
Yes.
We just put it on an XP and I really said, this maybe we need to have some extension or they're
so
really
cute.
The thing is they are rubber mounted.
Yes.
So that is really, really cool. And
they have the German and also the Swedish, the E number.
Yeah,
so they are the European, exactly. So they are street legal for the front and for the rear.
Yeah.
In that size, that's pretty amazing if you ask me. I mean, they're the size of the fingernail on my pinky, and that is really tiny. Tiny.
And they have some super high power LED, so
it's crazy.
They're really coming some power out. And we will make an adapter for the 1190 RX model that you can put it nicely on the fairing at the front. And I think this is a very, very cool new product
coming. You can either have them with a little arm on or like the one that I have that you can build in.
Coming up. Julia will print an adapter next days and then we will try out and see if we laser cut something or if we maybe really make it with a printed adapter or print an adapter and put this insert in. That could be also cool. Or have two on each side, one because we have one customer who lately bought one of these luggage racks, Charles, and he asked for a blinker solution, but he didn't want to have something what is small and pointing only to the front. Maybe, just can't read it in my mind, maybe we should print an adapter and then put one to the front pointing and one to the side.
Yeah.
That would be really, really safe. We should discuss it further.
Yeah. Talking about 3D printing.
Yeah.
I have got myself into the PETG printing now. Before it was PLA, and once I got it to work, I actually had to redo the. You remember this one?
That's a part for the airboard.
Yes.
For the airbox.
So we're back with the print, and it looks really good actually. So what you can see now, what looks kind of like a brain, it is actually the tree support that you can use in Cura. I've been trying out some things with this in the past few days, so instead of using a normal, like, say, crisscross or something support, I'm using the tree support, and we'll see how it looks differently. But now you can see the different parts. You can see in the middle the full long, and above and below you can see the parted one. You can also see that I'm using like a puzzle piece to put them together.
For the airbox delete.
So this part was a little bit weak, and it's actually not an issue once it's in the bike. It's only an issue when you want to get the support from under here off. So if you download the file now, it will be a little bit reinforced in here, so this should not be a problem. You can see what a cool material this is, right? Yeah. This is 0.9 millimeters, not even a whole millimeter, and you can just bend it all the way. And it's also a lot more stable with higher temperatures.
And that also means that we are ready for shipping now. We have some orders on it for our Airbox Delete kit. Finally, the fuel hose comes in a really fast color.
Yes.
That is really,
only that's like 10 horses, right?
yeah, for sure.
For sure.
And the poly tube also came. So and we have some glue now for test. So we will.
Yeah, we're making glue trials now.
Yeah. We need to finish Findlay's Airbox also.
Yes.
So there we will try this.
Hi, Findlay, we're working on it.
we will try this new glue, and then the Airbox Delete kits will be shipped out. I think next week. The printer's running.
If you can hear it in the background, that's the printer.
It's printing and printing. Otherwise, what we fixed up the girls XB. We lowered it front and rear. Put lowered the Wilburs in the back also.
Yeah.
And
that's pretty cool, so I can get my feet flat on the ground.
Yeah. The fork lowering we showed in this tutorial about the fork. And we produced another tutorial today.
Yes, we are looking on the insides now.
Coming out next week.
Yes.
How to control your oil pump drive. The full tutorial, how to take the oil pump out, what to look about, and how to put it back. So, because there we have an XP just on the stand, we needed to control it. So, we have some 1125s here in the shop also to fix. Tomorrow we have a valve adjustment to do.
Yes.
Maybe we should make an 1125 valve adjustment tutorial also.
Yeah,
Let's see.
If you guys have any more ideas for tutorials or things you want us to cover or see or have questions or anything, just hit us up and we will look into it, and maybe there will come a new product or a new video, or you never know.
Yeah. These are also now on the way to the first customers. This is this tail tidy kit for the EBR 1190. And there we changed now from AMP connectors to Deutsch connectors, and we have also this new high power LED in. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we covered it, right?
Yeah. What else we have? Oh yeah, exhausts from SC Projects are on the way. So Ellen soon need to get to work to finish the systems. For the full systems for the customers, they also a bunch ordered, and the brackets are done with our new nice powder coat. What is a wrinkle? So like similar to the frame. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it for this week.
Yeah.
So we won't torture you any longer this time.
Yeah. So this is it for this week, and soon we will. Need to have some holiday break here, as the SOS already said. Would not mean that we are really doing holiday. We need to finish the renovation and the update of our diner room. There's some work to do on the building. So, that's our holiday.
No rest for the wicked, huh?
No. But
Bye.
somebody need to do it.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Take care, everyone, and we'll see you again next week with a tutorial and maybe some more news. We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.